Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In today's episode, we are going to be learning how you can create a Canva account. To sign up or create a new account for Canva is simple and free. Make sure that you've downloaded the Canva application on your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and visit canva.com. Either way, once you open up the app or the website, go ahead and look for the sign up option. If you are on your mobile device, tap on Continue another way and you will be able to see many different login options or sign up option. Select how you'd like to continue signing up for Canva. You can sign up with Google, Facebook, email, and all of these options shown on the screen. Select any one option you'd like to log in or sign up with. I'm gonna tap on Continue with email. Now, once you select email on the next page, you'll need to enter your personal or work email. After typing down your email, click on Continue. On the next page, enter a name for your account. You will be suggested a name as well. If you want to continue with that, simply tap on Continue. Whereas if you want to edit that username, simply go ahead and enter a new name of your choice and click Continue. On the next page, you will need to verify your email. Go ahead and check your email inbox for the email that you've just typed in. You will then receive a verification code sent to you via email inbox. Simply enter the verification code in order to verify your new email. After you do that, you will be verifying your email successfully. Choose why are you using Canva. You can choose from the options, answer some of the questions for Canva, and then there you have successfully created a new account. Once you've signed up, you can start using the free Canva version where you'll have access to many templates and design features. But if you want to access premium features, you can tap on the claim offer button at the bottom and follow through the instructions to subscribe to Canva Pro. Now you are ready to start creating amazing designs on Canva. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. See you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.